Welcome to Rincon de Loix in Benidorm town. First early morning tourists are already heading for the city tour sightseeing bus that will bring them through the entire Benidorm town up until La Calo Finistrat. And we are here today to show you the changes in the Port Benidorm Hotel and all the places that are open right here in Rincon right now for accommodation, the approximate prices, what's open, what's closed, and where you could still book your holiday here if you're planning on coming in a winter season. First of all, the beautiful, incredible Port Benidorm Hotel that we've filmed you a couple of times here on the channel already, including its spectacular rooftop terrace. We love their music, we love the views. Cocktails are absolutely stunning. Plus, they have snacks and charcuterie boards, which is perfect for a rooftop. Not a lot of places have it. Now, Port Benidorm Hotel is closed. It's been closed already for a few weeks, and that is because they are unifying everything. They've created a brand new building, a new skyscraper that is taller than the actual building. However, now obviously they need to open up the walls and connect the both buildings. They need to prepare everything and make the same essence in both of them to match. Hence, they've closed down. You can see there's a lot of work going on, and it's unusually dark because usually you can see people inside, a lot of movement, lights, but now it looks like a very different place. There's quite a lot of movement happening out here. The bottom terrace, the restaurant, I suppose, the rooms, everything will be changed. It's a huge, giant investment, but we are 100% sure it's for the best, and it's going to be absolutely spectacular place for holidays starting from spring 2026. And this right here on the left side is the brand new building. So see, they're changing everything. The color is matching with the old one. The aesthetics in general on the outside, although the second building is slightly more modern. The common areas will be changed, the exterior areas, so it's going to be like a brand new hotel. Even better than the previous one was, even though it was already quite spectacular. And here they have the picture of how it will be looking like 2026. The new icon, Port Benidorm 2026. It is going to be gorgeous. I definitely feel like we will have to go here and show it to you guys once it's all ready. So far, sadly, this place is closed. We'll be opening up once the building work will officially be over. So stay tuned. Right by Vincent's Corner Bar, there's and White Horse. We have also quite a few useful accommodation options. From BCL Group Apart Hotel Levante Club, and right in front they have another one. These are several buildings that are apart hotels. They have big terraces, quite big terraces. There's a reception, there's common areas, there's some place to grab some breakfast, gardens, pool. It's just a nice place, an alternative, if you wish, for holidays here in Benidorm town. And these places, they tend to be open in winter season. Not all of these apart hotels, but some of them actually are. And this is the main building. This is the main part of it. It's two keys. There's one building here, one building right over there, and this one on the right side. Very big complex. Two keys. This is, by the way, right here by the yellow line is where the bus picks you up. Whenever you get a shuttle bus, if you're traveling here, that's where they will leave you. Three keys, which is slightly more exclusive, more services. Same, Levante Beach Apart Hotel. They have a lovely building overlooking the Levante Beach, plenty of sunshine, great views, nice swimming pool that right now it's not used, but in summer it is. And both national and international tourists are fans of this place. Actually, it's not as expensive, like the whole apartment. You can get it for quite cheap. And in winter, a lot of the times it's even less than 100 euros. So it is very comfortable and on a budget if you travel more than two people. Survey Group Hotel Rialto. Usually it's open, but right now I think it's closed already. In winter, they do close down starting from when the summer season is over, which is first days of November. So I feel like it's the first month that they've been closed down, and then they reopen back again for the summer season. And that is because this is one of the hotels where people obviously come with kids. There's people who like the sunshine. Nereo, on the other hand, which is also from Survey Group, which is located on the main avenue, stays open. Some nice Christmas decorations they have out there, by the way, I have to say. So quite a few places here will be closed down for outside of summer season. Those that remain open will be offering Christmas menus and New Year's menu. By the way, we've seen lately the prices for these, and we were kind of surprised because Christmas, since when is that expensive? I've not been working in the hotel industry for quite a few years already by now. Those of you who know us know. And when I was working last time in the hotel industry, it was like 50 euros for a Christmas dinner and 70 euros, 80 euros for a full New Year's Eve. Now, Christmas dinner in a lot of places costs 80, 85 euros, more or less, for one person, or Christmas Eve or Christmas lunch the next day, the Christmas day. And the New Year's Eve celebration costs more than 100 euros. It's around 125, 150 per person. That is the price right now, which is insane. When did it start to be that expensive? Not too sure. But let us know if you're coming here for Christmas or New Year and how much the New Year's or Christmas special was with your reservation. Let us know. But all the places that are open definitely will be offering something. Obviously, if it's an apart hotel, it's going to be slightly different. There might be something special, but not too much. Hotels, on contrary, they do offer way more options, and they do tend to put different types of entertainment, live music. There's always bands. There is singers, there's confetti, there's even fireworks a lot of the times. Depends on how big the hotel is. But overall, there's way more things on celebration days in hotels than apart hotels. Some of these places here are also rented out as individual apartments for people, which is even less expensive. So you can definitely find something on a budget here in Benidorm. And you're close to all these services. Stylists, supermarkets, laundry, auto service, which is also very convenient. Since if you're staying in a hotel or like a part hotel that doesn't have a laundry, well, making a laundry here for like 5-6 euros, a whole bucket, everything that you have, a whole suitcase, does actually sound quite cheap. In a hotel, that will be more than 100 euros fee probably for this type of laundry. Some more places here nearby that are actually open. On the left side, we have Gala Placidia. Those of you who follow us for a long time know that my husband used to work here. And I'm saying used to because he's not working anymore for this hotel group, for the Dynastic Hotel Group, for quite a while already. But it's going to be the first ever Christmas and New Year that he's not working in the hotel anymore. So we couldn't be more proud. And finally, we get to spend the holidays in a family, as it should be. Levante Lux Apart Hotels. This is another apartment building, 3 keys once again. Great place. They have very nice gardens, swimming pool. They have a reception area, like a cafeteria/bar inside. And it's a very recommended place to actually stay if you want something quieter, more independent, I would wish. And many more options are available here nearby. Gala Placidia here on the left side, honestly, even though I don't like some of the hotels of the group like Dynastic, I do like Gala Placidia because I know the people who work there. They're good people. I know the service that they're trying to give the best service with what they have. And the rooms were renewed, the areas. It's nice, it's cozy, it's not expensive. And honestly, it just does all these service. And you're staying right next to the main avenue. You can go walking to the beach and all the other places. They remain open whole year long. They do not close for holidays, not as Rialto, for example, does from Survey Group. They do stay open all this time. And they do offer Christmas and New Year's menu. And trust me, they go all above and beyond here for these celebrations. They do so many things. And actually, it is quite nice. and it is quite affordable, I have to say. So these are all the places that are available right here. As you can see, a couple of them are closed, some for a giant refurbishment and renewal completely, others just due to the lower season. But one thing's clear, if you're coming here on holidays right now, you will be able to find something not that expensive and on a budget, as well as all these people have found something reasonable to enjoy Benidorm town.